Dear viewers, I hope you all are very fine. Today I will discuss about selection tool, that is rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool and single column marquee tool. So let's get started. So rectangular marquee tool, this is a selection tool. See, I am drawing a rectangular selection tool or marching end. So if I select this, I can make some changes here. If I can want to fill it, I can fill it. Let's get back. Or I can from the select menu, if I can select grow, it will be grow with similar pixels. Let's see, it selected all the similar pixels. So if I again draw a rectangular marquee here, rectangular selection here, then you can see again from the select menu I will select clicking similar. So it will select automatically all the similar pixels here. So I hope you got the idea. Then elliptical marquee tool, same. It is circle. If I hold down Alt and Shift, it will be equally creating circle. Ctrl D. Then here is single row marquee tool. Single row, it is select only a pixel. Now if I Ctrl J, it will be duplicate a single pixel line. Then I can press Ctrl T, and if I can press it, if I can Ctrl T and enlarge it, you can see it will stretch this pixel. It will be stretch that pixel. Similarly, you can understand better if I draw a line from here. So I am selecting this layer, Ctrl J, I am taking single column marquee tool, then I am pressing Ctrl J. It will be created a new layer with the single pixel. Then I am Ctrl T, transforming this layer, and then I want to stretch it. See, let's see, it is stretching that layer. So I hope you learned something from this quick tutorial. If so, please subscribe my channel for getting this type of videos always. I am uploading videos almost daily. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Take care.